This video is sponsored by Value Testers, hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning, guys. Just gonna do a little coffee chat in the morning here, Sunday morning, September 23rd, 2018. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. Anyway, this is the new little dog that I got. This little puppy. Her name's Molly. She's a long-haired Chihuahua, and she'll be in the videos. I've been taking her to work with me for a couple of days. It's been so nice out, and she's breaking in just nicely in the truck, and she's pretty much already, she's trained to go on a pee pad, and I've been taking her outside, and she's quite the little character. I mean, she loves to be held, and she's a very sweet little dog. But her name's Molly, and she's gonna be in the videos. Somebody had called me and seen my video online that my dog had died, and they asked me if I wanted her, that they know they couldn't take care of her anymore. So I went up there and I gave the lady some money for the dog and took the dog home. She's a sweet little thing, very sweet. She loves to lay on you like this. If I'm on a computer, she'll come over and she wants to just lay on you. Very sweet. She's a cutie pie. Her name's Molly. But anyway, I didn't have any videos for today. I know guys have been asking me to do some chicken videos Sunday morning. I just cleaned a bunch of the coops, and I figured I'd do a quick little coffee chat, and maybe later in the day I could do a live stream later. That's what I'm thinking. But I got a bunch of jobs coming up this week, and I should be able to get some more videos coming. But sometimes it's not easy to post one video a day is a lot, and it's a lot of work. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little one and show you the little dog and show you how sweet she is. She's a long-haired Chihuahua, and she's got what they call a deer face. They have either a deer face or a apple face. And see, she's got what they call a deer face. And she'll have longer hair when she grows up, and she'll probably be 5 or 6 pounds. She's gonna be small. But yeah, everybody loves her. She's a good little soul. She's a sweet little soul. That's all I can say. And I've been taking her everywhere with me. Wherever I go, I've been taking her. One thing about a dog like this is you gotta put coats on her, because they can't take. I took her out. It was 62 degrees, and she was over there shivering. It's like 62 degrees, so I'm gonna have to. I bought her a bunch of coats and stuff like that, and I'll start dressing her up, because if it's really cold out, I won't be able to take her. I don't think, unless the truck's warm. I warm the truck up ahead of time, and she's in because usually in the wintertime I leave the truck going anyway. But I just wanted to post something quick, and maybe later I could do something. Look for it later on. I'll do a live chat. I haven't done one of them in a long time, so I have been working on the trackless. I got all the hydraulics leaks fixed, and I'm trying to get it to start. It's turning over. I think it's a fuel issue. I talked to the guy who bought it off her, and he's going to send one of his, a good mechanic up here, that as a diesel mechanic that knows, he'll get it running for me. So I'll pay the guy whatever he wants, because he's going to come over here because the thing's not running, and that's got hydraulic steering. So it's hard to move that thing, because it kind of moves. It's oscillating body, and it's got hydraulic steering, and that's where the leaks were, and the hydraulic hose was going to the steering. And I got that fixed. I put a couple of hoses in it. It's got a lot of rod on that thing. I got to cut a lot of replace a lot of panels. But I want to just get it going for the winter for now. And next year I'll cut the panels out, and I'll start changing the panels, cutting out what was rotted. Because what happened was the windows were leaking, and the door wasn't shutting right, and it left it outside, and the water, every time it rained, it would just dump water inside the floor's kind of rotted, and there's some spots under the windshield. I got to replace some pieces, but I could do it. I mean, I'll pluck away at it. The brakes are bound up. I got to take the master cylinder out. But I have been working on the trackless in my spare time. I got a bunch of replacement jobs I got to do, and I've been trying to spend as much time with the little dog as I can, and just to get it to bond with me, But you'll be seeing her in all the videos. See how she is? She just wants to sleep. Just wants to sleep in your arms. Very, very, very nice dog. Oh, I'm glad I got her. Yeah, but their name's Molly, and she's going to be definitely in, because, my other dog was a big part of the videos. And she died on me all of a sudden. That was a shame. But anyway, yeah, look out for me later on, and today I'll try to do a live stream. And, alright, guys, I got to go fix somebody's water heater, somebody I know. And, I appreciate all the people that bought some merch off me. I still got the merch available. Usually I put a link down in the description on the merch, all the shirts and the t-shirts and the coffee mugs, and a lot of people have been buying the baby dog stuff lately. But it's always good to support the channel and buy some of the merch. I do appreciate it. Alright, guys, I'm not going to keep it's not going to be a long video. I just want to do a quick little something because I didn't have nothing today. And definitely more working videos coming, and I'll be doing some chicken videos soon. All right, guys, we'll catch you later on. All right, have a good day.